cast-on stitch. I'm using 6 stranded cotton thread in 4 colors, pilot heat erasable pen for drawing, fabric cotton, embroidery needle size 5. I'll show how to make cast-on stitches in 2 ways. And we will embroider 2 flowers. Make each stitch about 1 cm long. Come up, then come down 1 cm away, and back into the hole near the working thread. Make loops. Roll thread over your finger, and place loop onto the needle and pull working thread. The loop should lie on the fabric. This is a sewing method, it's not my favorite. I have to press on the needle eye, so the needle tip would be up and I could place the loop on the needle. The length of loops is the same as the stitch, so let's finish it. Pull the needle holding the loops in place with your thumb. Pull and pull until they lie on the fabric. And come down, securing the stitch. Poking method, which is much easier. Come up and down at the stitch length. Leave the loop and come up near the working thread. Don't go all the way up, leave needle eye under the fabric. And it's time for the loops. I'm using 2 fingers, then pulling thread so the loop will be on the fabric. And more loops, and more loops. Find your own comfortable loop making position. With this method you can actually see if the length of stitch is right. And it's easier to pull the needle using this method. Hold the loops and pull. Come down, stitch is ready. I'll make more stitches to create flower. I'm placing stitches so that the end of previous stitch will be covered by the next stitch. I'm changing thread, sliding under the nearby stitches to secure it. For the longer cast-on stitches, make straight stitch somewhere in the middle to keep it in the spot you need. I decided to make fishbone stitch for the leaves. Make stitch in the middle, then alternate diagonal stitches, crossing the middle line. One more example of use is from my March pattern. This stitch is not only for making flowers, experiment, try it for different things. I'm excited to see what you will come up with. Link to the pattern is in the description. Use different colors and placement of stitches. For this flower I will make 6 stitches in different placement. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, hit like and leave a comment. Check out my playlist Hand Embroidery Stitches for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video!